It's still dripping somewhere, and I'm looking on the actual trap, and it's dripping at the bottom of the trap. But just don't take the assumption that the nut that you saw dripping before is going to be what it is, because if you look straight up, sometimes you got to look straight up. I'm looking straight up this, and I see where it's dripping somewhere else. Happen to have 2 drips on this. Isn't that a coincidence? That's usually how it happens. And I'm looking straight up from here, and it's dripping on a pipe up high, running down here, running on the side of this, and then coming down like that, and boom, dripping right off of that. Okay? So don't discount that it's leaking up higher. Just check it all out. Sometimes it's right there in front of your nose if you just look up. See this plastic nut up here? Same type of nut that tightens down with little ears on it, and that was dripping up out of there and running down the side, down over here. So there's your tip. If you haven't learned anything except that, you'll be doing good. You know, look under your sink. If you see any leaks, you're not quite sure where it's coming from, look up and see if it's dripping way up high and coming down your trap, coming down your line, dripping down over here by your gate valve because it's up on one of your flexi lines that goes up to the sink, and it's running down the flexi line and then dripping. You know, sometimes it's not all cut and dry exactly where your leak is, but you look around and turn your faucet on and run it on hot and cold or warm so you know you're getting water from both sides, whatever. And you'll find it. And I think you'll be able to fix it yourself. Okay, I ran the water, I checked it all out, found 2 leaks there, wiped everything up, checked it for another 5 minutes. I'm gonna call this little service call complete.